apple, peanut butter. Delicious, right? How about apple, peanut butter, grapes, mini marshmallows, celery, pecans, mayonnaise and milk? Don't knock it till you try it. Follow me. We're gonna go make this nostalgic, delicious salad. Ready? It's famous. Come on, grab your chair, grab your spoon. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in. I'm so glad you're here in the kitchen today. I'm gonna make an I promised you guys, if you remember the video from last week, how to cook with one ear. Hello? Yes, I'm cooking. I'm cooking dinner with the phones. One of the recipes in here is Georgian Waldorf salad. And that's what we're gonna make today. Does anybody remember growing up with Waldorf salad? I do, and I remember how lovely it tasted. I didn't realize though, this is another one of those, just like the frog eye salad, where I'm like, what? This is how they make the dressing? So we're gonna make the dressing first, and then we'll pull all the salad together, because I need to cut up these apples, and I don't wanna do that. You know, they turn brown if you don't right away cover them with something. So I don't wanna do that till the very end. So stay with me, won't you? Let's make a Waldorf salad. What do you need for Waldorf salad? Well, you know, your friend Wendy always puts it down there in the description. You never have to worry, the recipe's always there. We always know what we've got. But I will tell you as we're making it what we're using, all right? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first things first, we need to make this dressing. It is a 1/4 cup of chunky peanut butter. Okay, that sounds easy enough. Can do, will do. Then you need a 1/4 cup. Oh, hey, I left some peanut butter on the plate there. We don't want to do that. Then we need to take a 1/4 cup of milk and gradually add it to the peanut butter and stir it up until it's well mixed. I can do that too. I wasn't sure if I should use this or not. We'll start with this spoon, see how it works out. Because it is splashing a bit, because the peanut butter is really chunky. How is everyone doing? I'm so glad. If you've watched my other video, you know we've got a lovely cowboy casserole in the crock pot for dinner later. I'm just splashing this milk everywhere. Good thing we've got it in here. Wendy, slow down. So I've got a crock pot meal going so that we can eat that later, and I thought this would be cool to have the dessert, and I can just throw this together before everybody gets here too. So okay, 1/4 cup of milk gone in, stirred up. Did you guys ever help your mom make this? I don't think I ever helped my mom make this. Otherwise I raised quite an eyebrow when I saw this recipe. Like, are we seriously putting mayonnaise and peanut butter together? And we are. Is that what made that salad dressing so good? I don't know anything about Waldorf. I know it was a famous hotel. I'm sure this is some chef's recipe. But here's what I know. It's delicious. It's delicious. It counts as a dessert or a good side dish for me. Okay, 1 cup mayo, and I added just a little sprinkle extra. And we just got to stir that together. Bring that up to you guys. Look at that. Ah. Okay. It smells good. It smells like peanut butter with a little bit of a tang to it. Okay, so we've got that going. Now it's time to cut the apples. I am going to use my slicer pourer thing. It says we need 3 cups of apples, and I figure that's going to be about 4 medium-sized apples, just based on You know, once you cut the core off and everything. What do I always say? Measurements are optional in this kitchen. But it says 3 cups of apple in the recipe, so just so you know. Everybody can watch me struggle with this. Or we'll just fast forward this part. Y'all just fast forward through this part. I'll see you at the end when I have it all cut up. Okay, all right. Are we ready? I've got the first one ready to go. Let's get our bowl. You need a 1/2 cup of pecans, a cup of chopped celery. What do they mean by chopped celery? Well, I don't know. I made my celery like this. 1/4 inch. That was 1 whole cup, by the way. And that was probably the part I didn't like the most in the salad, but now that I'm an adult, celery, lovely. And grapes, seedless, 1/2 cup. I may have cheated there a little and added a little more. Okay, now we're gonna add the 3 cups of apple. Feel free, we'll fast forward through this part till I get to the end, and then we can add the dressing. All right, so I've washed my hands. They were definitely sticky from the apple. So this is what we've got so far. We've got some apple, we've got some grape, we've got some celery, we've got some pecans in there. We need to add the mini marshmallows, and we need to add the dressing. It says, combine all ingredients with enough peanut butter dressing to moisten, and then toss lightly. Top with additional dressing if desired. So what I think is I'm going to use about 1/2 of this and mix it together, and then add the marshmallows and then mix again. How much marshmallow? The recipe doesn't say. The recipe just says miniature marshmallows. We used 3 cups of apple. So do we add 3 cups of marshmallow? I don't know. I saved out the 1/2 cup, so we'll go 1/2 cup at a time and see what happens. This looks so good. Let me take the camera down and show you. Can you see that? Beautifulness, nostalgicness. Apples, grapes, celery, pecans, and a lovely peanut butter mayonnaise sauce. All right, back to me. All right, so we've used about 1/2 the sauce, 1/2 the dressing, I should say. And you saw it was pretty well covered with this. So let's start with a 1/2 cup of marshmallows, mini marshmallows. Let's see what we get. I think it's gonna take more. Like I said, I think 3 cups, but let's see what we get. Whoops, lost some celery. Back in you go. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure, this is gonna take more. Wendy, just add. So we know two handfuls is about 1/2 cup. All right, that makes 2.5 cups. I'll put that in our recipe, how much we ended up using, because I think that looks right. You should get a bite of something and a bite of marshmallow each time, if I'm remembering from my childhood, or I just picked out all the marshmallows. I just ate the marshmallow part. Plus the marshmallows seem to disintegrate a little bit. Yeah, so when we add the rest of this dressing, and stir it together. And then this will go in the refrigerator, and this will be ready to go with our lovely cowboy casserole. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Delicious. I think that'll do it. Hey, thank you so much for being in the kitchen with me this afternoon as I get ready and make our nostalgic Georgian Waldorf salad. How cool is this? I appreciate your time. I appreciate you hitting the like and the subscribe. Thank you so much for choosing to watch our videos. So happy. Stay tuned for a Zen moment, and we will see you next time in the kitchen. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you try it. I'm so excited. All right, have a good one, my friends. See you next time. I thought maybe it wouldn't be fair to not try it with you, right? Nobody will ever know that I had an early serving. Right? Right? Right, Smooch? She'll never tell Mommy. Right, Smooch? Bon appetit, my friends. I'm gonna give this a whirl. Oh my gosh, you guys. This tastes like childhood. Oh yeah, the apple, the celery, the peanut butter, and those little fluffs of marshmallow that get in there. This is terrific. Oh, we're gonna make this a lot. I'm so glad I found this cookbook. What a great nostalgic recipe.